Okay, so number 10.
We're not sharing.
Huh? Oh, thanks, Hannah.
I guess so. Yeah. I'm never going to tell you that, and you're like, I'm not meaning to share before.
No, typically if I'm writing on here, it means that I am. So, okay, so number 10 is 56y plus 42x squared y. Okay, so for this one, I would put it in order of descending exponents first. So if you look at the x's, you've got an x to the third, an x squared, an x, and then something without x. So I would rearrange it first. So that means we're... Did it work without rearranging it?
Yeah, I got it in the answer, but I don't know if
Okay.
what you said.
Okay, so you should rearrange it first. So you're able to take out the biggest thing. So then from our first group, right, we can take out 2x squared y, which leaves us with 12x plus 21. Oh, we can go bigger. We can take out a 6, can't we?
Yeah.
So then that would be 4x and 7y. And then from this one, you can take out an 8.
Wouldn't it be just 7 and not 7y?
Oh, you're right. And then for this one, we take out 8y, which is 4x plus 7. So then you get 6x squared y plus 8y and 4x plus 7. Yeah, so on those, 8, 9, and 10 were other ones where they pulled out a greatest common factor first and didn't need to. All right, so 17 is 4x squared minus 33x minus 27. All right, so you need to do 27 times 4, which is 108. And then our factors of 108. Huh? 36 and 3. Right, and then you need a negative 36. Oh, I don't know what happened there. So then this gets replaced with this if we add the x's in. So then it becomes 4x squared minus 36x plus 3x minus 27. And then from here we do our same process for factoring by grouping. So from our first group we can take out a 4x, which leaves us with x minus 6. From our second group we can take out a 3. Wait. It would be 9. I don't know what is wrong with my brain today. There we go. So then 4x plus 3. Right, so see guys, even I make crazy mistakes when I go too fast. It's not just you. Cassandra, did that help? Kind of, sort of? Okay. All right, let's do 18. Okay, so we're going to multiply 8 and 11, which is 88. So then from our factors of 88, we have 1 and 88, right? And because of this negative sign, we need one of each sign. So we're going to have a negative 88 and a positive 1, because when you add those two together, they add up to negative 87. So then we write it as 8x squared plus 1x minus 88x minus 11. And then we group it. So from the first one, we can take out an x, which leaves us with 8x plus 1. Since the signs in the second one don't match the signs in the first one, we need to take out a negative 11, which then leaves you with 8x plus 1. So then for our final answer, it's one of these. And then we bring down the coefficients. Okay, number 8 is negative 32b to the third c plus 24b squared c plus 12bc minus 9c. So we're going to group and group. Okay, so from the first one, we can take out 8b squared c, which leaves us with negative 4b plus 3. And then from the other one, we need to take out a negative 3c. So then that gives us negative 4b plus 3. So then that gives us 8b squared c minus 3c, negative 4b plus 3. If you pulled out a negative 8b squared c at the beginning, that's fine. That just means your signs for both of them would be backwards than what I have up here, which is still okay. All right, any other homework problems you guys need me to work out? Number 9? Yeah. Okay, so from the first group and then second group. So the first one, there's not a number you can take out, but you can take out an AC. So that leaves you with 15a minus 4. From the second one, you can take out a negative 2. Ooh, they're backwards. Yeah. So let's go with our descending order with A, right? So we've got our 15a squared c, and then I'll do 30a squared b minus 4ac minus 8ab. So let's try that. Okay, so then here we'll take out 15a squared, which is going to give us c plus 2b. Here we'll take out negative 2a, which is negative 4. Wow, okay. So then you get 15a squared minus 4a, and then c plus 2b.
I have like my signs different.
Like in both of them?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
It would have just been the order you put it in, which is fine.